This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something.
Browser. So I was working with the MCP, so I have the 10 chat sessions. Try to open with the VS Code. So let me just close this and open with the VS Code. And go to the chats.
I think there's one other thing you have to do, or maybe you're doing it. You have to reload it where it finds them. I think there's still something here you have to tell it.
So I have to reload.
I forget.
Okay.
I know I did something in mine and they showed up after I did something. Remember how mine all went away and I was mad at you because then I realized it was the folder thing, but then I did something and they came back. Like it still existed. I just had to do something. I forget what it was. It was something right around where you are. And it pulled them, then found them. But the point is they're not lost and gone.
Yeah, they're not lost.
They're lost in the sense VS Code doesn't know where they are,
Yeah.
right? But yeah, we just need to figure out how to re-pull them in. And I don't get, I don't care if you're using the CLI. My point was you were building note stuff in that notifications. They worked for you, but not for me, and that's because I use it differently. And that's where I'm just saying, when we're building something that is using VS Code and it's people install VS Code in different ways on different computers, the complexities get to be much more um, difficult to keep track of and to handle. Actually, I don't know if you saw my email this morning, but a guy that bought ASM, can you open ASM and just he says he hits F1 and the help doesn't come up. And I said, well, you need to make sure those paths to your AutoHotkey path are set for where AutoHotkey is installed because that's what we're using, right? To decide where to look. And maybe he didn't, because he reinstalled AutoHotkey a couple times, and I was thinking maybe he's got his help files are somewhere else.
Okay, let me run script maker. And we have to update it. So we have this AI chat and it can write we can do some chat in there. Let me hit F1. So I'm in V2. If I hit F1,
You're not sharing.
okay, let me share my screen. So let me close that again. So either I can do F1 or click on this icon. So V2 help is up and I can select V1 and hit F1 and it'll give me the V1 help. And if I do this, I will have alpha. Well,
And those are all based off of that path, right? Under was it
yes,
tool?
they are all based on the path that we give in here. So if I go to this path, so you will see that I have the CHM file over there.
And maybe he didn't, so we can just tell him also, make sure that CHM file
CHM
is
file,
in
yeah.
that folder. Maybe somehow his got deleted.
Yeah, I can reply to him.
Could you use a go to the website for the help file in that path if you wanted to? It's only a local path you can use.
It gets really complicated when you try to go to the website.
Okay. I was just asking.
Yeah. Yeah. Maestrit did that in Studio. And then, between the website sometime being down and then landing on the right pages and it blocking, bots and stuff. Yeah, I wanted to just take advantage of the local files. And I'm not saying you could, David.
No, I was just wondering if you could paste it or, you know what I mean? And it would just go to the website
no,
and add the
yeah,
web URL in there for that. You know what I mean? That's all.
yeah, yeah. We'd have to have a way to convert it to the URL for that to happen. but it would be predictable. So I mean, that's not a
Yeah. I mean, they're not changing it. I mean,
yeah. I would just also argue we should check to see, Irfan, we should check to see if that the help file is there, and if it's not there, tell them, build something that says, hey, your help file isn't, in this folder, right? So they don't just have a bug and report a bug, or so they think it's a bug, which technically, I guess I'd still say it is, even though they should have it there.
you just don't have an error message coming up, probably, right?
Yeah.
That's basically what it is. Saying, hey, I can't find this.
Right.
Because you're set, right? Because I'm guessing when you install it, you're setting the path, or it's finding the path when you install it.
Well, actually, I don't remember. Does anyone remember when you install AutoHotkey? Does it ask you if you want the help file installed, or does it just do it?
I don't know. I just hit the install, and then actually, I had never used the local help file. I always go to the website, figuring
Oh,
if any changes have been made, I'd rather have the updated changes online.
yeah. No, I love it. It just has to do with how my experience with the website in often being down. It's just annoying. So I'm reversed just for that reason. But and those things rarely change. I mean, they can if you're working on. Actually, Isaiah did mention, and I mentioned that to Irfan, which he walked away, but maybe he's listening. But the I was showing Isaiah what we had been up to, and that Scintilla control. He was really like impressed that we had done that stuff. But he said if we actually used the 2.1 beta, because of how it uses the structures, that with the updated Scintilla control, we could use structures and it would be much faster than with AutoHotkey v2.0. The memory would be matched, is kind of what he said, how the structure and how they do stuff. So it would be faster at doing some of the things. Did you hear that, Irfan? Did you see that?
Yes. So Isaiah suggested that we should use 2.1.
No, he just said if we did. He wasn't saying we should. He was just saying, it's something you might want to look at, is kind of how he phrased it.
I can create a branch for a version, so
Yeah.
it will use the alpha.
Yeah, fair enough.
I can.
The bummer I see with that, though, is now we still have yet another. It's compiled with something else.
Actually, we were creating a new Scintilla. So how about I create a Scintilla library based on 2.1? Because it is not the ASM that we need to create. It is the Scintilla library that need to be created according to 2.1. So it can use those structure DLL, and it has all the benefits.
Yeah. Well, let's not work on it now, but we've
Yeah,
got so many other things to work on. But it was an interesting point of it would speed things up because of the new advantages of 2.1. But, and again, it's 2.1 in the alpha version, right? It's not even beta. Yeah. So that's why I'm very hesitant to do anything with it at this point. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss.